Hi, I'm Graycie and welcome to our channel Learn to Teach Hairstyles. Today my mom Carrie is going to be showing you guys how to do the coronation hairstyle on my friend Lexi. Say hi! Hi! This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So let's get started!
You're going to have her hair parted slightly off to the side. And then you're going to just go over here and section that piece right here. And you'll just clip this part right here to the side. Okay, so now you're going to take this part right here and part it right down the middle. And you're going to take like an inch right here, from here to here, and section that part right off. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that you have it sectioned off, you're going to take right to here and go across all the way around and make a ponytail. That's your goal. So you're going to take right here and bring it together, and you're going to make a ponytail. Now you're going to take this part right here and just bring it up and just clip it out of the way. So you're going to take a section right here and you're going to go and create a Dutch braid all the way around. If you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, you can click right here for that tutorial. So now you're over here. You're going to take this section here, slide it off to the side. Just going to leave this down, okay? And you're just going to continue your Dutch braid by adding this part here. Okay, so before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and pull these out just to make it so they're thicker looking. I'm going to go ahead and just skip that part right here for now and continue the Dutch braid. Now I'm going to grab this part right here that I just put to the side and I'm going to add it to this braid and then just continue to do this Dutch braid around her head. So I'm going to leave this part right here down and continue my braid. Okay, so now I'm right here at the spot and I'm going to secure this. So I'm going to bring this back down. With this ponytail, I'm going to twist it this way and bring it up, and I'm going to pin this up with bobby pins, okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and just pull this out just to make it so it's thicker. Now I'm going to take these two and put them together in an elastic band. So I'm taking this ponytail, you're going to go up and over and make a loop. I'm going to secure this off with a bobby pin. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take this side right here, take this section from her ear, you're going to try to smooth it out and bring it over, okay? So I'm going to use some gel and some hairspray just to smooth that out. And do the same thing over here. You're going to bring it together and you're going to add this part here, the bottom part, together too. Smooth it out. And you're going to put it into a ponytail. Then you're going to take this and then just go ahead and try to tuck it right under this. You're going to take and smooth this out, and you're going to take bobby pins and pin them together. Take that elastic band right here, see right here, and this one right here. You want to bring it together I'm going to bring this and flush it up against the head right here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Put the finishing touches. I'm just going to put the necklace, put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click their logo below.
So you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To check out more of our tutorials, click over there and there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others.